Hi everyone, I'm Kristen Prejean, the proud CEO of Cleaning by Design. Today I want to share with you the journey of our company, what we do, how we do it, and why our clients love us. Cleaning by Design started with a simple mission, to provide exceptional cleaning services with a personal touch. Over the years, we've grown from a small team to one of the top cleaning services in Southwest Louisiana, as recognized in the 2024 People's Choice Awards. This growth wouldn't have been possible without our dedicated team and loyal clients. Our services range from regular house cleaning to deep cleaning, post-construction cleanup, and even specialized cleaning for homes with health concerns. We use eco-friendly products to ensure the safety of your family and pets, and we tailor our services to meet your unique needs. Whether it's a one-time clean or a recurring service, we're here to make your space shine. At Cleaning by Design, our approach is all about quality and consistency. We start with a comprehensive consultation to understand your needs. Our team undergoes regular training to stay updated with the best cleaning practices and techniques. We use state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly products to ensure best results. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in every home we clean. One of the best parts of my job is hearing from satisfied clients. Many of our new clients come from word-of-mouth referrals. Here are some words from our happy clients. We are incredibly grateful for the trust our clients place in us. At Cleaning by Design, we're not just about cleaning houses. We're about improving lives by creating clean, healthy environments. If you're looking for a cleaning service that goes above and beyond, give us a call. Join our growing family of satisfied clients and experience the difference. Don't forget to follow us on social media for cleaning tips, special offers, and more. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you.